Okay, so this is our example number 4 for 3-moment equation. Determine the moment over the support B and C of the beam shown in the figure. Ayan. So, meron tayong 3 span. Ayan. So, medyo ano na siya. Complicated lang ng konti. Konti lang naman. Okay? So, wala pa rin naman sinabing mga settlement. Okay? Then, wala rin naman tayong EI. So, therefore, constant pa rin yan. So, equation number 3 pa rin yung i-apply natin dito. Okay? Then, okay, so magi-discarte dito, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 span kasi. Okay, so ito yung ating ano. Oops. Ito yung ating first span. Ayan, ito yung ating second span. And ito yung ating third span. So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng equation or ano, i-consider mo natin is yung first and second span. Ayan. Then, sa second condition naman, second span and third span. Ayan. Okay. So, at L1 and L2. Yan na lang. Okay? So, equation natin dyan, yung equation number 3 natin. So, ML1 plus 2 M2 multiplied by L1 plus L2 okay, plus 6A1 A bar 1 over L1 plus 6A2 B bar 2 over L2 is equals to 0. Ayan. Then, sa pangalawa naman, sa second span and third span, yung equation natin dyan is iba na. So, magiging M2 L2 plus 2 M3. Okay? Yung M3 dito. Yan dito. Okay? Then, multiplied, sorry. M3. Dito pala, yung moment natin sa C. Okay? Wait lang. Kulang pala to. Kulang yan ang equation na M3. Yan. M3 L2 plus okay, then M3 dito multiplied by L2 na yan, okay, plus L3. Ayan. Ito yung L3 natin. Then plus M4 dito na tayo. Okay? So drawing rin natin para mas ito yung ating M1. Ito yung ating M2. Ayan. Then ito yung ating M3. Then ito yung ating M4. Ayan. Para dito nalilito. So ito, span 1 and 2, M1, M2, and M3. Ayan. Then span 2 and 3, M2, M3. Then last is M4. Ayan. L3. Okay? Plus, okay, so 6A2. Okay, para dito sa area na to. 6A2, A bar 2. Ayan. A bar 2 over L2. Plus 6A3 para dito sa span 3. Then B bar 3 over L3 is equals to 0. And alam naman natin ang M1 natin dito is 0. Ayan. Pero syempre M3 hindi na 0 yan kasi di ba nasanay tayo. Zinisira natin siya sa example 1, 2, 3. So dito hindi kasi internal na to hindi ba? So meron tayong internal moment dyan. Then dito naman sa second equation, ang magzi-0 yung M4. Okay, yan na siya. Okay, so doon tayo sa sa span AB para dito. Ayan. So at AB as our first span. Okay? So copy na natin 'to. Ayan. So ito lang naman siya, no? So nasa gitna. Okay, so PA okay over L multiplied by L squared minus X squared lang 'yan, hindi ba? So ang ating P is 400 pounds. Ang A natin is 5 feet. Okay? Then over ang L natin is 10 feet. Then multiplied by 10 yung L squared natin, okay? Minus X squared, so 5 feet. Yan. So 400 multiplied by 5 over 10 multiplied by 10 squared minus 5 squared. So 15,000. Okay? So 15,000 pounds feet squared. And di ba kasi doon sa ano natin, sa table natin dito, ayan, meron naman dito agad na equation. So hindi na natin kailangan pang i-memorize yan. Ito lang talagang kailangan natin i-memorize. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, di ba? Same lang din, di ba? Okay? So next, our second span na tayo, no? So at BC. Ayan. As our second span. Okay? So dito, 6A. Okay, so ito na, copy na lang natin. Siyempre, tamad ako. Copy lang natin yan. Okay? Ayan. So equals 2. Okay, so second span na tayo, no? Yes. So kung second span tayo dito niyan, PB. Okay, over L. Multiplied by L squared minus X squared. Sorry. B squared pala. B squared. Ito niyan is integral of P. Ang P natin dito is yung yung Y natin. Okay, Y dx. Ayan. Which is also equivalent to 80 pounds feet. Di ba? So, ito niyan is Y. Ang B natin ngayon is ito. Okay, ito niyan. Ayan. Which is L minus X. Okay, then ito yung ating X. Ayan. So, ang B natin is L minus X over L multiplied by L squared minus L minus X squared. Okay, then start tayo sa 0 to 10 feet. Okay, so 0 to L. Yan. So, ilan to? Integral of Y, which is 80. Then, 10 minus X over L na 10. Okay, so hindi na kasya. Ito na lang. Okay. Yan. So, okay, yan. So, 10 times 10 minus X over L. Tama ba? Yan. Then, L, so 10 squared minus 10 minus X squared. Then, dx. Yan. Oops. Limit na pala. From 0 to 10 feet. Okay, so, integral of 80 times L minus X over L times 10 squared minus 10 minus X squared from 0 to 10 feet. So, 20,000. Okay? So, 20,000 pounds feet squared. Yan. Wait lang, sheet pa pala natin. Okay. Yan. The next. Okay, so solve na rin natin yung yung sa second span natin para dito. Ito. Yan. So 6A2. Okay, A bar 2. Yan. Over L2. So since A bar 2, siya na kasi dito di ba? Nung dito sa L2 and L3, ang first span na kasi natin is yung second span. Yun. Okay, so sabihin, A bar na to. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is PA, okay, over L, multiplied by L squared minus X squared. Sorry, A squared. Yan. So, this is equivalent to integral of P, which is equivalent to Y, dx, multiplied by A, which is equivalent to X, over L. Okay? Okay, so, L squared minus X squared dx from 0 to L. Ayan. Okay? So, integral of y, ang y natin is 80. Okay? Then, ang x natin is, okay, x din, over L, so 10 feet, multiplied by 10 squared minus x squared. Then, dx from 0 to 10 feet. Ayan. So, integral of 80x over L multiplied by 10 squared minus x squared. Ayan. From 0 to 10. Okay, so 20,000 din. Yes, 20,000 talaga to kasi ano naman to tawag dito? Symmetrical kasi siya. Okay? Okay. Next. Okay, so sa second span dun sa L2 and L3, yung ating span 3 to. Okay, so ano na yun? Okay. At CD as our third span. Yan. So ano to? 6A2 B bar, A3 pala. B bar 3 over L3. Yan. Okay, so second span na kasi to, di ba? So ang gagamitin natin dito is PB over L. Yan. Multiplied by L squared minus B squared. So ang ating P is 640. Ang ating B is ito, 5 feet over L, 10 feet multiplied by 10 feet squared minus B squared, which is 5 squared. Ayan. So 640 multiplied by 5 over 10 multiplied by 10 squared minus 5 squared. So 24,000. Okay? So 24,000. So pounds feet squared. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so ito niyan. Doon sa ating L1 and L2. Okay, so this is 2MB. Okay? Multiplied by, ano nga ba mga span natin dito? Okay, so para sa 10, no? So 10 plus 10. Okay, so 20. Then plus M3, which is MC. Then L3 natin dyan is 10. Okay, so ito naman, okay, ito kung naalala nyo, this is 20,000. Wait lang, 20,000 ba yun? No, 15,000. So 15,000 plus ito, yung 20,000. 3 is equals to 0. Ayan. So ito nyan is MB multiplied by 40 plus MC multiplied by 10 is equivalent to, okay, so negative 35,000. Okay, so ito na ngayon yung ating equation number 1. Next, ito naman. Okay, so M2. Yun yung ating MB. Okay. Okay, this is L2, that is 10. Okay. Plus 2 M3, which is MC. Okay, L2, L3, so 10 feet. So 10 feet, so 20. Okay. Plus, okay, ito ay 20,000. Then ito nyan, last. Ano nga ba yung last natin? Okay, so 24,000 is equals to 0. Therefore, this is MB multiplied by 10 plus, okay, MC multiplied by 40. Then, is equals to negative. Okay, so 44,000. So, ito na ngayon yung ating equation number 2. Yan. Okay, so makakuha na natin yung MB and MC. So, by elimination na lang yan. Okay? Okay, so by elimination, MB is equivalent to, okay, ilan to? 40, 10, negative 35,000. Ganito niyan is 10, 40, negative 44,000. Yan. So, negative 640 para sa MB. So, negative 640 pounds feet. Okay. And negative 940 pounds feet. Okay. Ayan. So, ito yung ating moment at B and C. Okay, then, copy natin muna to para ma-analyze natin kung kung kukunin man yung ating shear and moment diagram or mga reactions kung sakali man. Okay. Oops. Ayan. So, ito nyan. Obvious naman, yung moment natin dito sa B is pag ganyan dito. Pag kinoconsider natin yung AB. So, this is MB. Okay, so magiging clockwise dito, hindi ba? So, dito naman sa BC, magiging ganito yan. Okay, so magiging siya parang FEM, yan, para maging fixed moment natin, para mag-react dun sa magiging moment effect ng mga loadings natin. Yan. Okay, so this is MB. Then ang MC natin, negative ulit, no? So dito niyan, okay, magiging clockwise, MC. Talaga matanggal to. Matanggal yan. Ito. Next. So, yung MC naman natin dito sa CD is magiging counterclockwise. So, ito yung ating MC. Ayan. So, at AB, makukuha natin yung reaction dito. Then, shear dito. Then, dito naman sa BC, may shear ulit. Then, may shear din tayo dito. Then, CD, may shear ulit tayo dito. Then, meron na reaction sa D. Okay. So, obvious naman na ito niyan is AB. Ito naman is DV. Upward din yan. Then, ito naman yung ating RC. And ito naman yung ating RB. Then yung shear kasi dito is maging ganyan eh. Yan, So, shear 1 and shear B1 and shear B2. So, yung shear B1, masasolve natin sa span AB. Yung shear B2, masasolve natin sa span BC. Then, ito naman, shear C1, masasolve natin sa BC. And shear C2, masasolve natin sa CB. Kaya yung ating reaction sa B and C is maging upward din. Okay, then makukuha na natin yung shear diagram. Okay, reaction, syempre reaction, then shear diagram, then moment diagram, then mag-drawing na natin yung elastic curve nun. Okay, ayan. So, ganito lang naman siya kapag kapag 3 span. So, hinahati-hati lang natin yung mga span muna. Okay? Then, yes, same pa rin naman dito, no? Sa elimination, madali lang din naman. Okay, halos wala rin namang hindi naman siya masyadong komplikado lang talaga. Huwag nyo lang ito lang, baka mapagbali-balitan nyo lang to. Okay, yan. So, dapat alalahanin niyo na ito para sa first span. Then ito sa second span. Okay, ito. Yan. Para dito yan. Then ito, para sa first span, considering L2 and L3. Ayan. Okay, so ito na yan. Okay, then ito naman is for second span, at L2 and L3, which is para sa second span na to. Yan. Okay? Yan. So, this is our example number 4 for 3-moment equation.